Well, as we've reported, there have been 2 recent confirmed cases of whooping cough at different high schools in Lexington.
And the bacterial disease is also known as pertussis, and it can be fatal for infants if not treated correctly. Our Jane Davenport has all that information you need to know to stay healthy and safe.
Pertussis, or whooping cough, a long-lasting, uncomfortable illness marked by intense coughing fits followed by deep inhales, which sound like a whoop.
So the term we use is paroxysms, where you'll just cough once after another, after another, after another, after another, until someone usually is completely out of breath. And then at the very end of that, when they're taking a big breath to kind of refill their lungs, that's when you get that inspiratory whoop.
This type of coughing can cause rib fractures, cause your eye blood vessels to rupture, and in some cases for babies, brain damage, apnea, even death.
We have absolutely seen infants who have brain damage and serious long-term issues from pertussis, and that's something that would be preventable if all of those older children and adults around them were vaccinated against pertussis.
Doctors have seen a rise in whooping cough, which Dr. McTighe says is due to a lack of vaccinations.
Most children are going to be vaccinated, against pertussis. The issue comes when you get into teenage years. If you don't have updated pertussis boosters, then you can have lost your immunity, where you once again become susceptible to pertussis.
He says there is a twofold system for treating the infection.
Number one, supportive care, so helping with symptoms. But number two, antibiotic treatment to treat the actual infection itself.
Just last Friday, 2 students, one from Bryan Station High School and Lexington Catholic High School, tested positive for whooping cough. The schools have since notified parents and encouraged other students to get tested. In Lexington, Jane Davenport, ABC 36 News Now.